Assalamu Alaikum, sisters. Do you ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Between work, school, family, and trying to stay consistent with your faith, it can get overwhelming. Today, I want to talk about 3 common time management mistakes Muslimahs make, and more importantly, how to fix them so you can feel more in control and spiritually fulfilled. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1 is procrastination in prayer or Quran reading. Sisters, I know life gets busy, but putting off your Salah or Quran time for later can really pile up stress and guilt. Use reminders or set a schedule. Even 5-10 minutes at a consistent time is better than nothing. The key is consistency, not perfection. Mistake number 2, overcommitting to everyone else's needs and forgetting your own spiritual needs. It's so easy to say yes to everything: family, friends, work, but then your own time for worship or reflection gets squeezed out. Prioritize, ask yourself, will this help me grow spiritually or mentally? And plan your schedule around your faith and well-being first. Mistake number 3 is ignoring self-care. We often feel guilty taking time for ourselves, but remember, Allah wants us to take care of our body and mind. Schedule self-care like prayer or Quran time. Even 10 minutes of quiet reflection, reading, or walking counts. When you're refreshed, your worship and productivity improve naturally. So, sisters, the 3 time management mistakes are: 1. Procrastination in prayer or Quran study. 2. Overcommitting to social or family duties. 3. Ignoring self-care. Start small and fix one mistake at a time. You'll see a big difference in your productivity, peace, and connection with Allah. Which of these mistakes do you struggle with the most? Comment below and let me know. I love hearing your thoughts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help Muslimahs balance life and faith. May Allah make our time productive and full of barakah. Ameen.